Dr. Ashes here. I have a very good news for you. I think I'm the first one in YouTube that's gonna post this. There's a new drug that is under development and it's reaching the phase 2 of the trial, and I strongly believe if this drug can pass the phase 2 and the phase 3 as well as phase 1, this will be the cure for COVID-19. And WHO, the World Health Organization, also approving the trial on this medicine. And I will leave the link to that also in the description so YouTube won't delete this video. I don't make this video to get the views. I make this video to spread the news between everybody and bring hope. Anyway, if you want to know more, grab your coffee and follow me through this video. So, as you all know, from this beginning of this pandemic, there were thousands of different companies that are trying to produce the medicine that can fight the coronavirus infection, and all of them failed, including remdesivir. With all the advertisement and the expensive treatment and the amount of money they get from the US government, this drug was absolutely useless. But these new drugs, I have very strong hope from today that this could be the answer. If the phase 2 and the phase 3 of the trial goes as well as phase 1, it is highly possible that this will be the answer for the coronavirus infection. Don't forget it, no matter what, you must get the vaccine. The vaccine is good, it will help us, it will give us a big chance, it can change the whole society, but because none of the vaccine can give 100% immunity and we don't know how long this immunity will last, if we can get the cure for this disease, that will be the end of the coronavirus infection. So what is this drug? Basically, this drug first developed by Emory University and it made to fight influenza. But later, Merck and Ridgeback Biotherapeutics start to work on this medicine and they develop it furthermore and they call it Molnupiravir. This is the first oral antiviral drugs against the coronavirus infection. And there are not lots of information out there, but I could manage to get some study from the phase 1 of the study, and also I could find the link for the current phase 2 and the phase 3, which I leave everything in the description. And for your information, WHO also aware of these drugs and get the permission for going for the phase 2 and the phase 3 study. So this drug basically synthetic nucleoside derivative, and the mechanism of action of these drugs is very interesting because this drug does not block the virus from entering the cell. Also, it doesn't block the RNA of the virus from replication inside the cell. What it do is very interesting. It causes error and mistake within the production of the RNA. Therefore, the final RNA that will be produced is faulty, and therefore the virus cannot be reborn from the cell and kill the cell and come out. So this is very interesting. This result is really amazing, and none of the other drugs have been ever caused such a amazing activity for blocking the virus from infecting our body. So the phase 1 of this trial drugs was on cell, and also after that they did it on the animal. The cell study was very successful, and the study on animal also come out very interesting. None of the other drugs could give such a strong positive activity against the coronavirus infection. They use ferret, and then they infect the ferret with the COVID-19, the coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, and then they give the dosage of the Molnupiravir to the infected ferret, and within the 24 hours, all the animals start to recover and show the recovery. And more important than that, when they start to treating this infected ferret and they put them inside the cage with a non-infected ferret, the virus did not transmit to the non-infected animal. So, and this is a very positive. No drugs till today, I 100% sure with the accuracy that could do this. So this blown my mind. I really hope the phase 2 and the phase 3 also come out well. As I will leave the link in the description, the phase 2 is already developing, and they try to give 200 milligram and 300 milligram of the Molnupiravir to the patient, and they're gonna monitoring, and there will be placebo. This is double-blind placebo test. As you all know, they give the drugs to some of the patient and they give the blank to others, so they compare the outcome of this result, and hopefully the phase 2 and the phase 3 also goes, as well as phase 1, and this will be the end of the coronavirus infection in my opinion, if these drugs can be as successful as the phase 1. So that was for today. If this video was informative for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friend. Until next time, I wish you all stay safe and well.